Okay, so I've been challenging myself as of late to use Scalar in a different way. In I guess the way that it was intended to. I've been up until this point using Scalar just for the presets or the artist presets or the song presets, which is nothing wrong with it, but it's pretty dope when you use it as a chord builder by finding sort of a vibe that you want to kick off. So I'll find some keys and kind of think about on a bigger level what the music is going to sound like. I don't know what I want to make. How many times have you heard that? You're going to hear it again today. So here we go. Okay, so we got two chords right here, and it's telling me that it's getting some world music, gypsy, Eastern Europe, Jewish, mysterious vibes. That's a lot going on that I never would have predicted. I'll take it. Let's go. Vocals. Need you to find me something in a B. Let's find something in a B. Y'all know that face. Whenever I do that, I mean, I might come back to that one. Coming back. Yup. All right, flip that around. And let's also, sounds really abrupt right now. So what I need to do, I'm gonna actually consolidate this down. And then we're gonna run this through a little plate. Add a piano layer, and I'm gonna like dirty it up. So it comes in pretty crazy. You know what I also want? For you to get the camera in my face. I'm just playing, I'm playing, I'm playing. I'm just saying it. I'm just saying it's a variation. Don't worry about me. I've been watching Cheaters lately. That's all you get. Get that camera in my face. Get that camera in my face. You don't know me. You don't know my story. switching 808s. I'm all drooling. Excuse me. It's so hard switching 808s when you've committed to one, because like I'm sitting here drooling and I'm sitting here like, oh man, I kind of had a vibe with that last one, so I'm gonna go back to it. But it's just kind of like weird how that is. You'll be sitting there vibing with one. I think I'm gonna do something a little bit different. I think I'm gonna take these long 808s and I'm gonna switch them out. And I'm going to actually have it go back and forth with another 808. I don't really do too much, two different 808s, but that might give an interesting vibe. Because I think what I'm missing is the deep end of the 808. Like something like that. Let's just try it. Okay, not like that, but let's try it. Let's go ahead and shape that. It's already shaped. Take it up an octave. A little bit closer. I need something. I need a good like accompaniment to it. Okay, so let's do a quick little format on this and we'll be out of here. I like the fact that it's sort of a swingy trap type of vibe to it. I'm curious to see what it sounds like with these vocals that we had here earlier, because they're a little bit disjointed from what we actually created, but either way it should be good. Should be good. I like what we have so far. That is Midnight Talk. Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this beat. I think that this melody for sure is gonna go on the next pack after this pack that's dropping right now. I got so many sound packs dropping at slapexperts.com. As of the recording of this one, the next one that you guys are gonna be getting for free is the Cupcaking pack. For all of y'all that be on the phone, you be hanging out with your boys, right? And you be like, hey, let me take this call real quick, bro. And then you go in another room, you go in a bathroom, you start laying in the tub, and you be like, I miss you too, girl, but you know what I'm saying? I'm with my boys right now. I can't really talk. Cupcaking head ass. This is gonna be for y'all. Cupcaking head ass. Now it's gonna be like really lo-fi R&B vibes for free. We of course we added the homie Navi into the crew, so you guys are gonna be getting some really dope melodic loops from somebody who's worked with Drake, The Game, Miguel. He's a part of the Slap Experts team, and we're honored to have him on. But aside from that, the next pack after that, which is probably going to be the top of March, is going to be the biggest one thus far for Slap Experts. It's going to be called Slap X. So when you see a box, a software box, whatever you want to call it, sound pack box with a big X, that is going to be the biggest pack that we've ever released till date. That one is going to be for sale. But until then, go enjoy the numerous, almost multiple gigs of free sounds right now at slapexperts.com. Enjoy them, talk about us, tag us, follow us on Slap Experts on Instagram and Twitter and all that good stuff. And until the next time, my friends, I will see you soon. Thank you for joining me. Subscribe now. Peace.